Have you ever wondered how to earn money on Fiverr without any specific skills? If yes, then you're in the right place. Welcome to the intriguing world of Fiverr, a bustling marketplace that's teeming with opportunities. No matter who you are or where you come from, Fiverr offers a platform for you to monetize your time and effort. Imagine a diverse bazaar, a melting pot of gigs that cater to a wide spectrum of demands. From graphic design to writing, from social media management to voiceovers, the range is staggering. But what if you don't possess any specific skill? Well, Fiverr's got you covered too. There's an array of gigs that don't require any particular expertise. Yes, you heard it right. No specific skills needed. So if you're excited to uncover the secrets of making money on Fiverr without any specific skills, stay tuned. There's a treasure trove of information coming your way. Today, Rapid Growth Online will reveal the top gigs on Fiverr that require no specific skills. Prepare to be amazed. It's no secret that the gig economy is booming, and platforms like Fiverr are at the forefront of this revolution. But what if you're someone who doesn't have a specific skill or specialty? No worries. There are plenty of gigs out there that don't require any particular expertise. Take, for example, the role of a virtual friend. As the name suggests, this gig is all about providing companionship to someone who might be feeling lonely or just needs someone to talk to. All you need is empathy, good listening skills, and the ability to hold a conversation. And the best part, you can earn money just by being friendly and approachable. Another gig that requires no specific skills is product reviewing. Companies often seek out individuals to review their products and provide honest feedback. This gig is perfect for those who love trying out new things and have an opinion to share. Your reviews can help shape the future of these products, and you get to earn while doing something you enjoy. And let's not forget about data entry. This gig may sound a bit mundane, but it's a great way to generate income without any specific skills. All you need is a keen eye for detail and the patience to input data accurately. Now, you might be wondering why these gigs are in demand. Well, in today's fast-paced world, people and businesses are always looking for ways to save time and improve efficiency. That's where these gigs come into play. They provide a solution to people's needs and challenges, and in return, you get to earn money. But here's the catch. Just because these gigs don't require specific skills, it doesn't mean they don't require effort. You still need to provide quality service to your clients. After all, your reputation on Fiverr heavily relies on the satisfaction of your clients. Now that you know the top gigs, it's time to understand how to make them work for you. Knowing about the gigs is just the first step. Making them work for you is where the real magic happens. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of how to turn these gigs into your money-making machines. To make your gigs appealing to potential buyers, it's all about presentation. Think of your gig as a product on a shelf. The more attractive and professional it looks, the more likely it is to get picked up. Start with a catchy title that clearly states what you're offering. Next, write a detailed description that outlines exactly what the buyer will get. Be sure to highlight any unique aspects of your gig that set it apart from others. Now let's talk pricing. It can be tempting to price your gig low to attract more buyers, but remember, you're providing a service and your time is valuable. Start with a price that feels fair to you, then adjust as you gain more experience and feedback. Don't undervalue your work. Quality service is key to making your gigs successful. Delivering what you promised on time will earn you positive reviews and repeat customers. But don't just meet expectations, exceed them. Add a personal touch like a thank you note or a bonus tip. This will not only impress your buyer, but also set you apart from other sellers. And lastly, don't be afraid to promote your gigs. Share them on your social media, send them to friends, or even create a simple website to showcase your work. The more exposure your gigs get, the more chances you have at landing a sale. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with the right mindset and the willingness to learn, you can turn these simple gigs into a profitable business. These tips should help you get started, but there's more to explore. Let's move on to the final scene. Now that you're ready to dive into the world of Fiverr, let's share some insider tips and tricks for success. First and foremost, optimizing your gig for SEO is essential. Think of your gig as a product on an online store. Your title, description, and tags should all include relevant keywords that potential buyers might search for. But remember, don't overstuff your gig with keywords. Keep it natural and readable. Next, let's talk about handling customer reviews. These are your bread and butter on Fiverr. Positive reviews boost your gig's visibility and attract more buyers, so always strive to deliver high-quality work on time. And if you ever receive a negative review, don't panic. Respond professionally, show that you care about your client's satisfaction, and offer a solution if possible. Lastly, staying motivated can be tricky, especially when orders are slow to come in. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Every successful seller on Fiverr started where you are now. Consistency, patience, and a positive attitude are the keys to success. Remember to always keep learning and improving. Fiverr is a dynamic platform, and staying updated with the latest trends and demands can give you an edge over your competitors. With these tips and tricks, you're now ready to conquer Fiverr and start making money without any specific skills. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money on Fiverr without any skills. We've unveiled the top gigs that require no expertise, shared how to make these gigs work for you, and dished out some tips and tricks for success. So what are you waiting for? Kickstart your Fiverr journey today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others discover these secrets. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success on Fiverr in 2024.